Hey there, actors. This is Asia Ray Coleman, founder of Acting Resource Guru. And today I just wanted to take a step back and talk about an issue that comes up a lot in the acting community, in the entertainment world in general, and that is the prevalence of scams preying on actors. And my opinion on this might be a little bit controversial. I want to hear from you whether you agree or disagree. I believe that if actors use their common sense and get informed about how the industry works, then we as actors will not be susceptible to these scams at all. Most of these scams, you guys, are completely obvious. They are preying on our desperation to be successful. And there's nothing wrong with us wanting to be successful, right? This is our dream. This is our calling in the world. And we want to be successful so badly that oftentimes we can ignore some pretty obvious red flags that are out there. So, my challenge to you is to make sure that you do your research. Guys, we have the internet. It's easy. Acting Resource Guru was created specifically for this problem, for actors to be able to share information about different services and what is the real deal with them. There are some things that we have to know. No agent gets payment up front. It just does not happen in our industry. If you see a casting notice that has so many typos, you wonder if the person even really speaks English, then that's probably not a legit casting notice, right? In general, any promise of a result that is just impossible to promise or too good to be true, follow your intuition and know that it's complete BS, okay? So I will acknowledge the fact that some people will probably say that I'm blaming the victim here, but I want to say that actors need to stop being victimized and wake up. It's our responsibility. So I want to know if you agree with me or you disagree. Please comment on this post and let me know. I hope to hear from you soon. Peace.